Hello, my name is Victoria Dombrowski. I am a Stockton alumni. I graduated in the spring of 2018, and I am coming back to pursue my master's degree in special education and hopefully receive my LDTC certificate as well. My teaching experiences thus far have included long-term leave of absences in the district that I grew up in, which is really great. My first year teaching, which was last year, I had an experience in a self-contained second and third grade classroom, which was amazing. That kick-started my passion and my dedication to pursuing my master's in special education. This current year, I'm actually in a long-term leave of absence only until December in a kindergarten position, which has been exciting and challenging in its own ways. Very different from a self-contained classroom. And I'm actually hoping that my next experience will be in a autism classroom, which would also be a leave of absence, with hopes of a permanent position next year. So some of my hobbies include yoga, hiking, skiing, biking, lots of outdoorsy sort of things. I also love to read. Um, and yeah, that's kind of me in a nutshell. I'm actually surprised I typically talk way too long, and right now I'm only about a minute and a half, so that's pretty good. But I'm really excited to learn more about each of you and work with you and collaborate throughout this semester, throughout the remainder of the semester, I should say, and see what this class has to offer. So I'm really excited to learn and grow from this course and learn and grow with all of you. I guess a fun fact maybe about me would be that I'm vegetarian, going vegan. I don't really know if that's fun, but to me it is. Maybe if you need a better fun fact, I love hot yoga, especially in the wintertime. Definitely recommend it. If you've never been to a hot yoga studio, drink lots of water before you go and while you're in the class. But I definitely recommend hot yoga, especially in the wintertime, especially if you're somebody like me that gets that like seasonal depression when it gets too cold and gloomy. Doing the hot yoga kind of boosts and you get the warmth and the comfort that you typically get in the summertime. So, just some things about me, and I look forward to learning more about you.